Hi, this is Josh from Shamma Sandals, and I'm here to tell you about our latest yard sale. This yard sale is going to be going on for a limited time, so you should get in there, get to the website, and place your order as soon as possible. So it's no more guessing, it's no more sending in an email, hoping that the sandal is still available. If you see it and you want to buy it, you can get it right now on the website. Why don't you come on over here, I'll show you really quick. So what you're going to see here is basically the same product page you would see if you were buying some all browns, if you were looking at some of our wonderful all browns, except it's going to say, if you notice right here, it's going to say yard sale, and it's going to talk about these are slightly these sandals are returned and slightly worn, so lightly used sandals here. And then you're going to look down here, okay, these are the sizes we have available. I have way smaller feet today. For some reason I have a size 4, and so I'm going to click on size 4, and then I'm going to roll down here and I'm going to try and add 2 to my cart. Oh, I can only add 1 sandal because we only have 1 of those available for you. So whatever it is that you have, you can find, or that we have, you can find out right now just by clicking and adding to your cart, just like a lot of other more like an inventory type system. In any case, this is going to make things a lot easier for you guys, and probably easier for us, because we literally every time, the last few times, I don't know how many, it's not, is it over hundreds? Is it into the thousands probably of requests we get for the sandals? So they go really quick, and we just have to sort through, and it's first come, first serve. Now it's all you. Just show up the website, click on the sandal you want, and away you go. All right, remember, this is a limited time sale. After a few days, we're gonna shut her down, and then you'll have to wait for the next great yard sale to find lightly used, factory second, or 4th generation overstock sandals. See you next time. Later.